Happy Sunday, everybody. It's Alex with Master Odor Removal on a cloudy day here in South Florida. It's May 5th, 2025. I have serviced dozens of this style, this type of developer. They're kind of townhouses, condo, combo. I was here yesterday. The owner said that she was smelling a mystery odor. She didn't know what it was. I looked out here and you can see the mildew growing in this gazebo drapery. See that? All right, so I figured it's probably in the house as well. And when I walked in yesterday to give her an inspection, they were doing an open house. A real estate agent was here. She said that there was absolutely no way. I said that it smelled like cigarettes, very mild, but you can see we're already set up here. We've already started. You can see the ceiling's all wet, it's drying. The floors as well, the walls. But lo and behold, our molecular chemical told us a different story. And you can see, hopefully you can see, let me open up the door here. These brown dots. There you go, big time, coming out of the ceiling. That is not Florida building syndrome, that is tobacco. So I got her on the phone and she said, yeah, 4 years ago, the person that had lived here painted over it. She was unaware. You can see it right here next to the fan. Let me get too close to that fan. And big time. So what's happening is the molecular chemical is pulling paint from like 6 years ago. It's pulling tar, from the paint through the drywall, through the primer, if there is any, and it's something that we were not expecting. We thought this was probably just Florida building syndrome, a spore living in the walls and the paint and the ceiling, causing a musty odor, but no. I said it was tobacco, and then I came back today to service it, and you can see that it is definitely tobacco. Bathroom's usually really bad, and then bingo, here's the bathroom downstairs. I don't know if you can make that out, but I'm sure you can make that out. All right, and we did do the ceiling already, but good. So it's not bleeding tar, that looks good. But you can see somebody absolutely positively smoked in here. There's no other reason for this discoloration and color coming out of the excess chemical, pulling it out of the paint. All right, so that's really basically it. We're only servicing the downstairs, and we're gonna do the AC for her. She doesn't want the upstairs serviced, so we're not guaranteeing the service. Especially with tobacco, we would certainly love to service the entire home. I'll show you real quick. She's got these great mirrors in here. And then the AC return is right here. We will service that with our second step chemical. You see we're set up, but we're not servicing this bedroom. We're not servicing this master bedroom as well. We're gonna go ahead and service the drains and the floors and the ceiling in here in the bathroom just to help her out. And that's really basically it. So trust your odor vendor, what they think the odor is, and then we'll take care of it. All right, thanks for viewing.